Okay, let's put the outrigger together. So I'm going to take the front bar and put this end into the canoe. So you just gently rotate it, push it in, back and forth. Okay. So that's in. We're not going to tighten the knobs quite yet. We're going to do the same with the back bar and just gently put it in. Okay, until you feel that resistance. We're not going to tighten the knob. Now we're going to take our outrigger and connect the front piece first. So this part snaps in. It is positional. So, you know, one person can do this, but if you have two people, you can help each other out. But this part snaps in like that. We'll also note here our plug. We want to make sure we have our plug in before we take it out. Same principle, if water gets in the outrigger, rinse it out when you get done and empty it, and then leave the plug unplugged for storage. Now we're going to go to our back piece and slide this bar in. Okay, all of these pieces should go in fairly easy. You shouldn't have to use any excessive force. If you're having to use force, you're probably, something's not right. So just keep that in mind. And now we're going to tighten this plug down. It should be snug. You shouldn't be able to move it, okay? Now we can tighten our other knobs. It doesn't matter where you start, but just reinforce your bar. Make sure it didn't slide out while you were putting the outrigger on. So you can tighten your knob there. Okay, and same thing on the back. Reinforce. Okay, and then tighten the knob. You shouldn't be able to pull it out. Now, if we're carrying the canoe to the water, you want to have two people. You should have one person on a bar, so the front person can be here and be lifting the canoe. And the back person, it's kind of up to your comfort level and what's easiest for you. But you can have the back person on this bar as well. And just watch the rudder when you put it in. You want to make sure you clear the cradles and that you're not having to set it down before you get to the water. The back person could also stand at the back of the canoe. It's just up to your comfort. When you put it in the water, you want to make sure you're in deep enough water that the rudder is going to clear and it's not going to be sitting on the sand. Also, if you find that you have to set it down before you get to the water, communicate with your partner. Do not set it on the rudder, but what you can do is you can put it on its side. Rest one portion on the side so you're not